How to change WhatsApp channel profile image. Open the WhatsApp application. Tap on the updates option that you can see at bottom. Tap on your channel. Once the channel is open, tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Channel Info. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top. Tap on the option Edit. Now you can edit the channel. Tap on the profile image that is selected right now. Now you can select the channel icon or image from camera, gallery, emoji and stickers, etc. Tap on the option of your choice. I'm just going to upload from gallery. Tap on the photo that you would like to use. You can also crop and rotate the photo if you want. Tap on the option Done. Tap on the option Save Changes. Now you can see over here the profile image has been changed. Like this, you can change WhatsApp channel profile image. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.